left onto Goose Lane. At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto Winter Street. At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto Franklin Street. In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto East Street. Street. Turn left onto Ware Street. In 1.4 miles, turn right onto Fieldstone Drive.
Send text to Leo.
What do you want to say?
I'll be there in 4 minutes.
Your message to Leo says, I'll be there in 4 minutes. Okay, it's sent. In 1 mile, turn right onto Fieldstone Drive.
Into Breaking Bad also?
No. I probably won't watch it.
I only saw the first episode like 5 years ago. I haven't watched it yet. No, he's hooked on it.
Yeah, no, I've been obsessed with it. I literally watched it when we got
watch.
my bag. Because I'd take off to go to sleep. But literally when I got to Evan's house, we all kind of arrived at different times.
At the
That's
stop
kinda funny.
sign, turn left
Evan
onto
came home
Essex
first,
Street.
then I, because it's like so close. Yeah, Evan came home first than me. But I literally just like sat in the basement and was watching Breaking Bad on their TV. That was so obsessed.
What is it on Netflix?
Yeah.
take it out of our street, it
Would
would
you
just
crash? Or?
it would just slide
Slide
sideways. Yeah,
Damn.
it has no shot. It's too much power and it's rear wheel drive.
Very little friction. Well, that's how it gets the speed. It's because there's no friction.
It's meant to go fast, but not in this. I'll tell you what, this little thing impressed me in the snow, though. As much as Ma hates it, this is pretty good. When you get a chance, shovel the stairs so Sandy can get out.
At the stop sign,
She's struggling
turn right
to go
onto Mill
pee.
Street.
Shovel stairs.
The front stairs. I already made a path, but I obviously couldn't get to the stairs. She wants nothing to do with the elevators.
Thought you were gonna bring her.
I asked you, you didn't answer.
Yeah, I said. Sure.
Oh, well, by then I already left.
In half a mile, turn right onto Patriots Way.
Oh, who do we know on Patriots Way?
Hey, Leo, did you ever wrestle with Rock? Whatever his name
No. Well, I don't even know the people and like the names of the people I wrestled.
We definitely have friends on Patriots Way. I can't remember who it is.
Nate, who lives like on your street?
is. Omega?
Oh, we've been to Hobaker's house. He was his sister's basketball coach for a couple of years.
Okay.
Yes, I've been there. But there's somebody else too. I'm trying to remember who was this. There's no way the Mustang would have made this little hill. Guess I'm friend on this street too, Mill Farm. Oh, is this where Marie used to go to all the parties?
Turn
I don't
right
know.
onto Patriots
I was
Way.
not
Then turn
looking
right.
at Maria's parties.
They had the big pool in the back. I think even if I know where I'm going, I need the GPS because I can't see anything. Let's see, did they plow this at all? Yikes.
Turn right onto Patriots Way. Then the destination is on your right.
Damn. They hit this early. Is it that one right there?
No, it's the one right next to it.
Oh, this one?
No.
Oh, further down. Okay. You can't even see the street.
Yeah, I have no clue what the street is. It's like just you have to guess at this point.
Damn,
The destination is on your right.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. If they did, they had to do it early.
Alright, thank you so much.
Anytime.
I really appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Thanks, you too.
Yeah, put our address because I want to see.
Starting route
Cool
to
at the
home.
same time, though.
It's cool, but it's
Head
ugly.
northwest on Patriots Way. Then turn left.
I mean, you literally don't see the street. You don't know where the curbs are. If it wasn't for the mailboxes,
Yeah.
Turn right onto Patriots Way.
and hopefully we
Then
can
turn
get down
left
our
onto Mill
street. They
Street.
plowed about an hour ago. That was my window, I figured.
Do you think our power's gonna go out?
I hope not.
It's a more than likely chance.
It's less than likely on our street because of the way the grids are shaped.
Isn't it underground?
Yeah, but I mean, if
But the thing
the
is,
eventual place where it's above
Yeah,
At the stop
ground,
sign,
yeah.
turn left onto Mill
But
Street.
all I'm saying though is it's less likely because there's a limited area where it could happen for us, whereas where we lived before it could happen in a million areas. That's why we would always lose power in the old house. Mark says it barely ever happens.
it's happened before.
Oh, I know, but I mean it doesn't happen that often. Jesus Christ. Oh shit! Damn it, I didn't
In
see that.
1.6 miles, turn left
Because
onto
I know
Mill
he
Street.
can't stop either. That's the problem. If he hits the brakes, he'll be sliding. 8 minutes of hell. And if you let the wipers sit too long, they freeze up. Is there a way to get the fan going faster?
What fins? Are you these?
Yeah, no, for the.
The heating in your car is so complicated. I don't even understand it. Like I learned in this car, but I really.
Well, because this one I don't think has temperature control. That one does. You can get the precise temperature you want.
Precise temperature.
No. Yeah, but I guess so. But mine, it's like a thermostat. So when it hits a certain degree, it stops. You try to. What is that? Yeah, I'm done for the day. I ain't going anywhere. This is crazy. It's only gonna get worse. Shit, the glass is frozen. It's weird because I'm turning one way and it's going the other way. Oh, you better stop low. Other than the occasional plow and that one pickup truck, I've been the only one on the road
Wow, that's crazy.
the whole time. I wonder if people are camping here still. Be kind of cool actually.
Nah.
I think they're closed for the day. Yeah, but what if you already camped already? Then they're
Why
gonna
would
kick you
people
off.
be camping here in the winter?
People camp here year round.
Not this specific.
Yeah, if you got like an RV or something, you need a place to stay. It's cheap.
onto Deer Path.
Call Leo.
Calling Leo. iPhone.
Yeah, I just pulled into the street, so I'll be pulling in a minute. I'm not gonna try to get into their driveway, so
Yeah, that's fine.
so walk out, okay?
Alright.
All right.
The destination is on your left. 67 Deer Path Lane.
Give directions home.
Getting directions to home.
Come on, Lee.
Starting route to 45 Frederick Lane.
This is crazy. An hour and a half ago it was 2 inches. I thought I can.
That much in that amount of time?
I thought I would be able to just pull right out, and then I opened the garage door. I'm like, oh my god. I had to,
Jesus Christ.
can I go around this way, or I have to turn
Do you know
around?
Nick's address?
No,
Oh, yeah, I was gonna say.
no. But I mean, is this a circle though, or no?
I don't remember. I never really go that way.
All right, I'll see if I can turn because it's tight.
I mean, there's a circle up ahead, I think.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
There's
you
a
keep
way to
going
turn
a bit.
around because I don't want to get stuck in the
Nate, what's
ditch.
your address?
23 Patriot Way.
How close was the house you guys went to last night?
It was right there.
Oh, that was good. Convenient.
It was like really before any like crazy snow.
I think we'll turn here. Let's see what it says.
Starting route to 23 Patriots Way.
Plus I keep going then.
Head southwest on Deer Path Lane.
Oh, it wants me to turn, right? Just turn. I'm just gonna go straight. It's too dangerous.
You don't have any four-wheel drive?
It is. But they plowed this like a while ago and it's already up there again.
But I meant like put it onto snow rather than auto.
I mean, auto
At the
knows
next
what
stop
it's doing.
sign, turn
Same
right.
thing. It picks up where you are. I will give it credit though. This thing is not bad for snow. As much as
At the next stop sign, turn right.
What do you think the odds are you're gonna be wrestling tomorrow?
Probably pretty high.
Yeah?
They always find a way. Like almost like all of track and like a few other sports got canceled yesterday, but we still practice. They don't even really know why.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Ware Street.
What stop sign? Oh, there it is.
In 1 mile, turn left onto Essex Street.
Oh, Essex, we're by Jake.
Yeah. Everyone knows.
Oh, hell no. Manually shoveled. No.
It's gotta be hell.
It was sliding.
You got a GoPro?
Yeah.
At the next stop sign,
That's the one I had for a couple years when I
No,
got
I
my
know,
bike.
but I meant like you have it in the car.
Yeah. Somehow it's staying on. I just rested it there. Oh, we're on where? So we're almost by the school? Oh no, we're on the other side of where? Oh, are we by Chundi's?
Yeah.
Can't even tell. It's so bad. Take a peek.
at the next light, turn left.
See anybody?
No.
You sure?
No.
Wow, the GPS said 8 minutes, and that was like 8 minutes ago. Going that slow. actual regular vehicles. Obviously, four-wheel drive vehicles. Even your car, I would not drive today. It's that bad. I mean, look at visibility. You can't see shit.
At the light, turn right onto Franklin Street.
Everything's good. Why is he driving? Oh my god, he's nuts. He's driving an El Camino.
That's a car?
Yeah, it's like a car pickup truck. But shit. That was braking way back. And it still kept going.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right onto Winter Street.
What sucks is if he doesn't have a snowboard, he has to shovel like 2 or 4 times today. Because it would be way too heavy to do it at the end. This road's a little clogged. Ours is gonna suck a bit.
Turn right onto Winter Street.
This road's gonna suck.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Goose Lane.
I guess it's an appropriate name for this street. Just from there. You can tell they didn't hit this as much as they did to me. I was worried that we were gonna get stuck on Patriots Way
Turn right onto Goose
Yeah.
Lane.
until
Then turn
friggin'
right
plow
onto
came to
Frederick
clear
Lane.
the road again. It wasn't plowed very well, or it was plowed earlier, but it wasn't as bad. Let's see this one.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Christ.
It's just gonna
It just kept going, yeah.
bring them back in.
I have to. It's gonna be a nightmare.